First-time home buyers, here's an industry secret that can make you rich. It's a little thing called house hacking. And what you do is you go and you buy yourself, if you're a first-time home buyer, instead of buying that single-family residence, how about looking into a duplex, if not a triplex, where you can buy the property, live in one unit, and rent out the next one to help you pay down your mortgage. Shoot, they may even pay so much that it covers your entire mortgage. You can do it with a duplex, or you can do it with the triplex, right? Where you go into an area and you find 3 units and you live in one, rent the other 2 units out. You'll probably be cash flow and money at that time. Or you go into a quad, which is 4, where you live in one and you can rent out 3 of them. And here's a good thing, guys. When you use your FHA, you are able to put 3.5% down. So if the house is $100,000, you're only putting $3,500 down. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. So what you can do is FHA allows you to buy houses that are up to 4 units. So you can use your FHA loan on 4-unit properties. This is really important because what you can do, you can buy the house, as I mentioned, live in the front unit, rent out all the other ones, or live in whichever unit you want, rent out all the other ones. And then after a while, with depreciation and you getting enough cash, what you can do is you can move out. Okay, you can move out. You can rent your 4-plex. Now you have cash flow that can pay for the next property that you go live in. Rather that be the home that you've always wanted, rather that be that next step up for you and your family, or the first home for you and your family, your 4-plex is going to help offset your mortgage on that next home. This is a little secret called house hacking. This is how the rich get richer. And it's really important that you guys pay attention to this because a lot of us think that we can just go in and buy a regular single family house and we don't know about all of the other ways we can make extra income. And you guys, that's what my channel is all about. I'm here talking about how you can make extra money in real estate, how you can become financially free in real estate. So if you have any friends or any family members or anybody you know that's interested in making a lot of money selling real estate, make sure they reach out to me, guys. Make sure they're subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next episode. Go house hack. Let's go.